friend. Welcome back to Speak Easy English. I am David. I am so happy you are here to practice with me today. Today, we are going to learn something very useful. We are going to talk about at the restaurant. Going out to eat is a wonderful way to practice English. You need to talk to the waiter, you need to read the menu, and you need to ask for the bill. In this lesson, we will follow a story about Alex. Alex is going to a nice Italian restaurant for dinner. I will speak very slowly. I will use simple grammar and easy words. This is a safe space for your ears to learn. After the story, we will have a repeat after me section to help your mouth practice the words. Are you hungry for some English? Let's begin. It is Friday evening. Alex is finished with work. He feels very hungry. He wants to eat something delicious. He decides to go to a restaurant called the Pasta House. Alex arrives at the restaurant at 7 o'clock. He opens the door. It smells like garlic and fresh bread. The restaurant is warm and cozy. A woman stands at the front. She is the hostess.
Good evening.
She says with a smile.
A table for one?
Alex replies.
Yes, please.
The hostess leads Alex to a small table near the window. He can see the street lights outside. She gives him a large menu. She says,
Your waiter will be with you soon.
Thank you.
Alex opens the menu. There are many choices. He sees pizza, he sees soup, he sees salad, and he sees pasta. Alex loves pasta. He looks at the drinks. He wants something cold. A man walks to the table. He is wearing a white shirt and a black apron. He is the waiter. The waiter says,
Hello, are you ready to order?
Alex says,
I think so. Can I have a glass of cold water with lemon, please?
The waiter replies,
Of course, and for your main meal.
Alex says,
I would like the spaghetti with tomato sauce and meatballs.
Excellent choice. Would you like a salad to start?
Alex says,
No, thank you. Just the spaghetti.
The waiter writes everything down in a small book.
I will bring your water right away.
Alex sits quietly. He looks around the restaurant. He sees a family eating pizza. He sees a couple laughing. Everyone looks happy. Soon, the waiter returns with a glass of water. It has a yellow slice of lemon in it. Alex takes a sip. It is very refreshing. 10 minutes later, the waiter brings a large white bowl. Inside is the spaghetti. It is very hot. There is red sauce and 3 large meatballs on top. It looks beautiful. The waiter says,
Enjoy your meal.
Alex replies.
Thank you very much.
Alex picks up his fork. He twists the spaghetti. He takes a bite.
This is perfect.
The sauce is sweet and the meatballs are soft. He eats slowly. He enjoys every bite. He is not in a rush. When the bowl is empty, Alex feels very full. He feels satisfied. The waiter comes back to the table.
Was everything okay?
Alex says,
Yes. It was delicious. Thank you.
Would you like to see the dessert menu? We have chocolate cake and fruit.
Alex smiles, but he shakes his head.
No, thank you. I am too full. Can I have the bill, please?
Certainly. I will bring it now.
The waiter brings a small black folder. Inside is a piece of paper. It says the price of the water and the spaghetti. Alex puts his credit card inside the folder. The waiter takes it to the machine and returns. Alex signs his name. He also leaves a small tip for the waiter because the service was good. Alex stands up. He puts on his coat.
Goodbye.
He says to the hostess. She replies.
Have a nice night.
Alex walks outside. The night air is cool. He feels happy. He had a good meal. He practiced his English. It was a very good evening at the restaurant. Now, it is your turn to speak. I will say a sentence from the story. I will pause. You must repeat the sentence out loud. Speak clearly and slowly. Let's go. I would like a table for one, please. The restaurant smells like fresh bread. Alex looks at the menu. Are you ready to order? I would like a glass of water. Can I have the spaghetti, please? The food is very hot and delicious. Alex eats his dinner slowly. He is very full and happy. Can I have the bill, please? He leaves a tip for the waiter. The service was very good. Thank you very much. Have a nice night. Now, I will tell the story again, but a little bit faster. Try to follow the speed. Just listen to the sounds. Alex was very hungry on Friday night, so he went to the pasta house. The hostess sat him at a nice table by the window. When the waiter came, Alex ordered a glass of water with lemon and a bowl of spaghetti with meatballs. The restaurant was busy and full of happy people. Alex really enjoyed his meal because the pasta was perfect. After he finished, he asked for the bill. He paid with his credit card and left a tip. He said goodbye and walked home feeling very satisfied. It was a great night out. Wonderful job. You practiced a lot of English today. Talking at a restaurant is a great way to use English in the real world. You should be very proud of yourself. Thank you for joining me, David, here on Speak Easy English. If you liked this lesson, please hit the like button. It helps me make more videos for you. Share this video with a friend who is also learning. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you never miss a new story. I have a question for you. What is your favorite food to order at a restaurant? Do you like pizza, pasta, or maybe sushi? Tell me in the comments below. I want to read your answers. Keep practicing, stay hungry for learning, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.